Good afternoon, Valparaiso. I'm Storm Shield meteorologist Mike Albano here with your weather update. At this hour, we're at 33 degrees here in Valparaiso, slightly above that freezing mark with winds out of the south-southeast at 7 miles per hour. But the big story earlier this morning and through the afternoon has been the dense fog that's blanketed much of northwest Indiana and has certainly impacted us here in Porter County. Here's a look at satellite imagery. You can see a much thicker cloud band out to the central plains across areas of Nebraska and South Dakota. There are some showers associated with that thicker cloud band, but it's not going to impact our area for today. What has impacted us, you can see, is this much thinner, more transparent cloud deck. And this is actually the fog that shows up on satellite imagery. You can notice how dense it was around 7 or 8 a.m. this morning. Since then, we have the fog has begun to lift. You can see how it over time begins to lift out of our area. But man, that was thick fog this morning. I actually took a picture earlier this morning as I was heading into the studio. I angled my camera up to the sun, and so this little bright light here is the sun, and you can see the fog very, very thick this morning. These are beautiful pictures sent in to us by Nicole Batzik. When fog, this is frozen fog, so we had fog last night. Temperatures dipped below freezing, and so fog will stick to surfaces like trees and grass. And so this is a shot of an evergreen tree. This is a beautiful shot. You can see it crystallizing and freezing on her evergreen needles there. This is a picture from Nicole also of her cherry blossom tree. You can see the pink hue in the background and the frozen fog. So thank you for sending those in, Nicole. So current temperatures at this hour. We have 41 degrees in Chicago. We have not quite warmed up as much as them because we've had thicker fog here in northwest Indiana. So we're sticking right around the mid-30s at this hour. But once that fog lifts, we should moderate to the low 40s ourselves. A look at the future radar. You can see when the fog does lift, we have clearing skies. So the sun will make an appearance today. And the next shot of clouds will be tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. You can see clouds out behind me to the west move its way into northwest Indiana. We have a chance to see a sprinkle tomorrow, perhaps, but we'll likely stay dry for most of the area, just an increase in clouds. But something cool to note is for Monday, you can see our future forecast model picks up on this very dense fog. And so we might have fog Monday morning. We'll keep you up to date as we head in through Sunday and into Monday morning. So the future temperatures, how's it going to feel for the next couple days? Tomorrow morning, if you're waking up, maybe you slept in till 10, 41 degrees tomorrow morning. By noon tomorrow, we warm up to 46 degrees here in Valparaiso. Temperatures will decrease down into the upper 30s, mid-30s for Sunday night going into Monday morning. So if you're waking up Monday morning, your first 8 a.m. class, it'll be in the upper 30s, so do bring that jacket. And we'll warm up to the mid-40s on Monday as well. So the temperatures today, we reached a high of 41 degrees here in Valparaiso, 2 degrees above average. So we're feeling right around average for this time of year. The low also right around average, but man, wouldn't it be nice to have that 64 degrees? And that was set back in 2012. But hey, at least we're average and we're not below average. And you can't ask much for the first week of December. So tonight, 31 degrees here in Valparaiso, increasing clouds as I mentioned earlier. Winds are still going to be light out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Your forecast for tomorrow is 44 degrees as a high, mostly cloudy with winds still out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And the 7-day forecast is very, very, very interesting to note. As we go through each day and time, notice that we warm up every day as we head into the middle of next week and through the weekend. We have a chance of showers for Wednesday and Friday, but by Saturday we're sitting at 55 degrees, and that's some 10 to 12 degrees above average for the second week of December.